English Learning Network.
50 actions plus objects. Run. Track. I run on the track. Jump. Puddle. She jumps over the puddle. Eat. Sandwich. He eats a sandwich. Drink. Glass. I drink a glass of water. Read. Magazine. She reads a magazine. Write. Story. They write a story. Sleep. Crib. The baby sleeps in the crib. Laugh. Joke. We laugh at the joke. Cry. Toy. The child cries for a toy. Sing. Stage. He sings a song on the stage. Dance. Music. They dance to the music. Walk. Store. I walk to the store. Sit. Sofa. She sits on the sofa. Stand. Door. They stand near the door. Cook. Pasta. He cooks pasta for dinner. Wash. Dishes. I wash the dishes. Clean. Kitchen. She cleans the kitchen. Drive. Car. They drive a car to work. Play. Guitar. He plays the guitar. Swim. Ocean. We swim in the ocean. Paint. Landscape. She paints a landscape. Build. Airplane. He builds a model airplane. Throw. Ball. I throw the ball to my friend. Catch. Frisbee. She catches the frisbee. Brush. Toothpaste. He brushes his teeth with toothpaste.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.